Hello makers, this video is about recording content for Kdenlive videos. We'll be looking at the software named OBS today. OBS is a helpful program which does many things. It's kind of an all-in-one software solution for people who produce content for streaming services like Twitch or YouTube. Today we'll look quickly at how to use OBS to record the computer desktop for use in videos. First, we need to make sure we have OBS installed. A quick Google search can help us here. We'll also need OBS started up and running, which is what we see here. OBS has many features that we can safely ignore for our purposes today. This little window down here is most of what we need today. This is the list of sources that OBS is configured to record from. The most universally useful source that we will be using today is display capture. Display capture produces an exact copy of the information being sent to a whole monitor. If you have two monitors, you'll need to select which monitor you'd like to record from. This source is helpful when you want to be absolutely sure that you capture everything on the screen. But it does mean that you might want to edit out the toolbars at the top and bottom of your screen later. OBS, as it is set up on the screen, is ready for recording, but we'll take a look at a different source for now. Another option on the source list is window capture. Window capture allows you to specify a specific Windows object that you would like to capture the video feed from. This might be an app like Inkscape or a browser window. Window capture, however, sometimes misses important user interface elements like right-click menus or toolbars. In the example on the screen, I have the window set to a Windows Media Player instance that I have running in the background. So while I hit play on the Windows Media Player, we can see that OBS is capturing that window and showing us what's happening on that video. Now that we have a basic idea of how to set up a source, we can look at recording. The first thing to do when you are considering recording is to go to the settings and navigate to the tab labeled Output. Make a note of the recording path so that you'll know where your videos will end up when you hit record. Be sure that your preview screen is showing you the content you'd like to record, and then click Start Recording. OBS will continue to record until you hit Stop Recording. Stop and Start Recording can both be bound to keys inside of OBS settings, if you'd like to not click on that button. Here's my video output folder. Let's watch as I record a short clip, and then we'll play it in Windows Media Player. Here's the clip we just recorded. Let's watch it. We've done it! A success!